There are many cute, simple ways to make a bow. Here is one of the styles called Yotsu Musubi. Yotsu means 4 in Japanese. And let me show you this very simple technique with the Infinite Shippo print from our Wagara collection. Place your item in the center and bring 2 opposite corners to make a bow. Repeat the same steps with the remaining corners. If you're wrapping a rectangular box, place your box with a long side towards you. Take 2 corners facing you and make a bow first. This allows more fabric, which makes a larger bow. Then make a bow with the remaining corners. The second bow is smaller and sits on top of the larger bow. Now you just made a simple but beautiful Yotsu Musubi bow.